Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope, children, you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to our English class. Okay, yesterday we completed our rhyme Once Upon a Time. Today we will do, yesterday as I told you, today we will start our compactor exercises. Right, children? So be ready with your compactor books and we will continue our exercises. Page number 97. First we will do, yes, I gave you homework of page number 97. I gave you exercise 8A as homework. So first of all, check your homework whether it is right or wrong, children. Then we have a man who delivers milk is called a milkman. A man who makes things out of wood is called carpenter, जो लकड़ी से सामान बनाता है. A person who sweeps is called a sweeper, जो झाड़ू पोछा करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्वीपर. And now a person who catches fish is called a fisherman. A person who stitches clothes for us is called a tailor. A person who works in our garden is called gardener. A person who washes dirty clothes is called a washerman. One who sells fruit is called a fruit seller. A man who maintains law and order is called a policeman. Now children, come to its next exercise. Now we have to write nouns before these persons. Okay children, these were common men, common noun, and now we have to write, we have to also write common noun only. Some noun whether common, proper or you can say material noun, but we have to write noun. Now see exercise B given on page number 97. Exercise B. A. It's a tailor sews our. एक टेलर हमारे क्या सिलता है? Clothes. A milkman brings us. Milkman हमारे लिए क्या लेके आता है चिल्ड्रन? मिल्क. A policeman catches. Policeman क्या पकड़ता है? Thieves. A barber cuts our. बार्बर हमारे क्या काटता है? Hair. Cobbler mends our. Cobbler means मोची. हमारे क्या ठीक करता है? Mend मतलब ठीक करना. Mends our shoes. Hairs नहीं होता चलन hair. It is hair. It is not hairs. A sweeper sweeps our. You can say house also. You can say streets, road, anything. Streets. The dhobi washes our dirty clothes. The fruit seller sells. Fruit seller क्या बेचता है चिल्ड्रन? Fruits and vegetables. Now last one children, the fisherman brings us fish. So this was exercise B given on page 97. Now we will do exercise given on page number 98. 198. Children, here see, nouns are given here in black, dark black color. We have to select from them and then we have to write. First is mother and Mita, two mother daughters are there, माँ बेटी हैं, and they are conversing. उनकी conversation है, means उनकी बातचीत है. So we have to write, fill in the blanks. First is A. Where have you been the whole day? D is I was at the. Now children, this is a proper noun, so it will always start with a capital letter. Riding club. Because it is a proper noun. But the riding club closes at 5 o'clock. It's 6 in the evening. I had no idea. If you had told me, I would have gone to the market. Why did you want to go to the market? I had to buy some pastries. Now, if you would have, you should have informed me on my cell phone. So, this exercise is complete. Second is question number 10. This was 9th. Now in question number 10, children, this is a collective noun. Now as I told you children, 5 types of noun were there, right? First proper, common, collective, material and abstract noun. These 5 kinds of noun were there children, right? Now proper noun you all know. All names come in proper noun. Second is common noun. Means without name. Anything without name comes in common noun. उसमें children हम names नहीं लेते. Now third comes collective. अब when you have proper noun or you have common noun, उनका कुछ groups भी होगा. अब groups है, so it should have name. Groups के names are there. So the names of groups are called collective noun. And different kinds of things or people have different groups names. मतलब children अलग अलग groups के अलग अलग name होते हैं. Like as I told you, लोगों के ग्रुप को हम बोलते हैं क्राउड, डॉग के ग्रुप को हम बोलते हैं पैक, एंड यू कैन से बुक्स के ग्रुप को हम पाइल बोलते हैं, प्लेयर्स के ग्रुप को हम टीम बोलते हैं, एंड ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स इज कॉल्ड एन आर्मी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, एंड सो ऑन. मैनी नेम्स आर देयर. सो हियर आर सम कलेक्टिव नाउन. यू हैव टू मैच देम विद करेक्ट. First they have done for you. Team से पहले you all know article A or N. Children, and we always use before vowel. And I told you how many vowels are there. I told you you can learn from your hand. 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. 5 kinds of vowel. Now see, bouquet. Bouquet starts with B. So, विल राइट अ बुकेट. अब बुकेट, हमेशा बुके किसका होता है चिल्ड्रन? फ्लावर्स का. ऑफ फ्लावर्स. नाउ यू कैन राइट. अच्छा, इसी का क्या आएगा? सेकेंड इज a group. A group of islands. A group of islands. Second is a pair. A pair of shoes. फिर है a chest. Chest of drawers. चिल्ड्रन ड्रॉर्स बोलते हैं हम. आपने देखा होगा कुछ अलमीरा लकड़ी की आती है या आयरन की, जिसमें ड्रॉर्स बने होते हैं, खाने बने होते हैं ना निकालने के. तो एक साथ पूरे ग्रुप को हम बोलते हैं चेस्ट. क्या बोलते हैं? उनकी ग्रुप का नेम होता है चेस्ट. सो द नेम ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रॉर्स इज कॉल्ड चेस्ट. नाउ आर्मी. आर्मी स्टार्ट्स विथ ए, सो वी विल राइट एन. An army of ants. An army of ants. A swarm of bees. A swarm of bees. So children, these are some collective nouns. Book exercise, you have to match them. These are your matching of will come with everyone and will come with only A and army, because it starts with a vowel A. Rest, no, nothing is starting with a vowel, so we will write only A before that, and you have matched them with their common noun. Okay children, now I am erasing it for our next exercise. Now children, page number 99. Question number, we have 11. We have question number 11. Now here are also children collective nouns. Here at up your collective nouns are given, and you have to select from them the correct collective noun for the following common noun. Okay children, first is 11th first. A tabby cat did not let anyone come near her kittens. बिल्ली के बच्चों का जो ग्रुप होता है उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? What we call them? They are called litter. चिल्ड्रन, पपीज के ग्रुप को भी हम लिटर कहते हैं, एंड किटन्स के ग्रुप को भी वी कॉल लिटर. सेकेंड इज एन ओपन शुगर टिन वॉज फिल्ड विद एन डैश ऑफ आंट्स. राइट नाउ वी हैव डन एन आर्मी ऑफ आंट्स. आर्मी. वी लिव इन द सेम फ्लैट्स का जो होता है दैट वी कॉल ब्लॉक. D is this dash of furniture is on sale. फर्नीचर का पूरा ग्रुप है and it is called sweet. A dash of thieves. Thieves का क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? Gang. क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? Gang. Now we have he threw down his dead sticks का जो पूरा क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग बंडल. जी my elder brother has a large collection. Collection of stamps. And then we have the Andamans are a group of islands. Group of islands. So this was exercise 11. Now come to exercise 12. Very easy exercise children. You have to underline the concrete nouns and circle the abstract nouns. So here I am making two columns. Concrete and abstract. Here I am making two columns. First is freedom. Freedom comes in abstract, children. Concrete nouns are those which you can see and which you can touch. Abstract noun neither you can see nor you can touch. Growth, it's abstract noun. Growth you can feel it. Yes, बड़ा हो गया. Popularity, that you can feel कि हाँ that person और film stars है बहुत popular है, जो आप feel करते हो. You can't see it. Then we have void, concrete. You can see and you can touch. Cow, concrete, see and touch. Policeman, concrete, you can see and you can touch. Friendship, abstract noun. Then we have nobility. It's also children abstract noun. उसका सीधापन, उसकी अच्छाई, that is called nobility. We have mango. Mango obviously see children it is concrete noun. Then you have camel. Camel you can see and you can touch. Then you have house. House you can see and touch. Then you have belt. You can see and you can touch. Childhood, bachpan. You can only feel it. You can only feel it, children. Then you have banana. Obviously, children. Concrete noun. Then you have ambulance. That is also concrete noun. Then you have table. It's also complete noun, children. Strength means ताकत. Children, strength we only feel it. We can't see it and we can't touch it. हम फील करते हैं कि हम में कितनी ताकत है और हाउ मच स्ट्रेंथ इज इन द अदर पर्सन. सामने वाले पर्सन में कितनी ताकत है. देन वी हैव काइंडनेस. काइंडनेस मीन्स दया. And our question number 12 is also complete, children. And what you have to do is, children, in this question, again I am telling you, you have to underline these. These you have to underline, and these you abstract noun you have to circle. In that question itself, from this you can remember that concrete nouns you have to just underline like this. And abstract noun, these you have to circle them. Okay, children? So you have to do up till exercise 21 in your compacta book. Up till now, this much topic we all have studied, right, children? Abstract noun. Again I am revising nouns. Anything, the name of any person, place or thing, or all naming words are called noun. अब हर वो चीज जिसका नाम है, किसका नाम नहीं है. अब आप यू आर यूजिंग मोबाइल फोन, दिस इज ऑल्सो इट्स अ नेम ऑफ दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सो यू ऑल आर नाउन, यू ऑल हैव नेम्स. You are sitting on a sofa or bed or chair. All these are nouns. You are using mobile phone, pen, pencil, book. All these are nouns. Right, children? Now, nouns are of 5 types. Proper, common, collective, material and abstract. Proper noun, all names comes in proper noun. I said you are noun, your friend, your parents, your house, furniture, sofa, pen, pencil, books, everything is noun. Now if you write your name, your book name, your city name, village name, your parents name, this will come in proper noun. If you don't write your name, boy, girl, village, dog, cat, cow, if you don't write their names, simply say village, city,